Hello, hi. It's me again, David, from Y Architect to you. Now, many people has actually asked me throughout my journey in the banking life for more than 15 years. They come to me and seek for some of my view on debt consolidations. Alright? Now, what is debt consolidations? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Because majority of people do not know how it actually works. Now, let me tell you what is debt consolidations first. So, debt consolidation is actually a combination of different loans that actually restructure into one account with lower interest rate and monthly repayment. So, what benefit do you get? First of all, you are actually getting lower repayment, lower interest, and you can free up additional funds. Okay, so is it a good thing? Now, let me come to you first. There are two types of debts in the market here. Depends how you actually use it. There are good debts, there are bad debts. So, what is good debt? Good debt is actually will enable you to save money through the interest save. And with the extra money that you have, you are getting higher returns from the other investment that actually you made itself. In other words, you are paying, for example, an interest of 5% and you are getting an investment return of 10%. That means it's a good debt. You are getting a net yield itself. So what is bad debt? Very simple. It's opposite of good debt, which means when you fall in the trap of the debt itself, you are actually serving highest interest, and the worst case scenario is the money that you get from the debt, you are actually spending instead of investing it. That makes you continuously pay interest, and at the end of the day, you were not actually saving any of it. Debt is actually a double-edged sword. If you use it correctly, you will actually benefit from it. But if you use it the other way around, use it badly for the intention of just spending, a good lifestyle, buying unnecessary things, then it will actually hit you badly. Now, looking back into debt consolidations, for me, when you do it right, you will actually benefit. So what are the key benefits of debt consolidations? Let me tell you, there are 5 key benefits. Number 1, earlier debt settlements. Why do I say so? With debt consolidations, you can actually finish up your loan faster versus if you are just paying the minimum payment of credit card, which takes forever to even settle your principal. Number 2, easier management of your financials, because there will be no more multiple accounts with multiple due dates, whereby now you are only paying to one account, one due date, and one amount itself. So you don't need to worry about your accounts being overdue again. Number 3, you'll be enjoying a lower interest rate. You see, in unsecured loans itself, credit card and personal loans, the range, I would say the average, around 12 to 15% interest rate. But after you do a debt consolidations, right, it will be around 7 to 10%. So basically, you are actually saving a minimum 50% of interest from this exercise itself. 4th, you have a fixed repayment schedule. By knowing that how much you're going to pay at what date itself, you can easily plan your other financial decisions that you need to make. So for example, when you see an opportunity in some other investments, whereby if you give a high yields to you, you know what to do because you have the time and amount that are available to you. The last one is actually very important for your ongoing life with the banks, which is actually it can able to boost your credit profile. Because by not going into overdue in your accounts itself, it will actually give you a better credit score. So in the future, if you're planning to buy any property for investment itself, you will easier to obtain loans from the bank itself. So now, after going through all the key benefits itself, you should be knowing what to do with your finances, right? Stay tuned for more videos of knowledge to be actually delivered to you. And remember to subscribe our YouTube video and like our social media page, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you very much for your time, for being together with me, and see you next video. Bye.